Enough reggae music. You must have to choose it. I saw them do it at Jamaica, you know. Roll it for rubber dub.
I prayed it. Why could he then rage and the people imagine of such painting? Vast kings of the earth had set themselves on the rule and state council together. Against the Lord God, the Rastafari, and against his anointed same. Now come let us break their bands of sundown and cast away the gods from us. The holy that seated in his heaven shall laugh. The Lord God, the Rastafari, shall have them in his region. But then shall he speak unto them in his wrath and vex them in his soul displeasure. For yet if I set thy kings upon the holy mountains of Zion, I will now declare the creed. The Lord God, the Rastafari, I said unto I and I, that thou art thy sons this day have I begotten thee. No axe of fire and I shall give thee then for thine inheritance, and the uttermost part of the earth for their possession. Jah shall break them with a rod of iron. Jah shall dash them in pieces like a pot of vessels, I will say. So be wise thee, for we kings be struck to thee for judges of the earth. Serve the Lord God, the Rastafari, with fear, rejoice, with tremble. Kiss I and I don't son unless he be younger, but perish from his ways, good God. When his wrath is kindled but the liquor, tell ya. And so blessed be all, blessed be everyone, as I would say. And blessed be all they that put their trust in the true and living God, the Rastafari. That this man shall be like the holy mountains of Zion, that cannot be removed but abided forever. Cause so the mountains round about Jerusalem, and so the Lord our God, the Rastafari, is round about his people, as I would say. The light of the wicked shall not rest upon the righteous, unless the individual righteous put forth his hands into iniquity. So do good, O Lord God, the Rastafari, unto them that are good, and unto those that are upright in the wrath. Cause such as when I turn into his crooked way, don't say. The Lord God, the Rastafari, shall not turn its back to give account to the right of his people. Oh, you know, come and make me till you both the son of color. On to the Sakama, Sakama. How would you feel come forth good, as I would say? Good like you know we should, as I would say.